This video demonstrates the shower door preparation and installation for S3838, also called S40 Heirloom Shower. Each door comes with a white and a clear plastic seals. The white seal is magnetic, to be installed on the door handle side. The clear seal has an L-wing, to be installed on the back side of the door. Install the clear seal in such a way that the L-wing is on the outside of the curve of the door. Press the seals against the glass door tightly. Each door has 4 rollers, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. Remove the small nut, small metal washer, big hexagon white washer, put the roller shaft through the hole from outside the curve. Put back the hexagon washer, small metal washer, and the small nut. Do not tighten the nut yet. Install the door handles. Put the 2 top rollers into the top track first. And then put the 2 bottom rollers to the bottom track. You may need to loosen the nuts to allow the rollers to get into the track. When the rollers are in place, tighten the nuts. Make sure the white seals are touched together tightly when door closed. You can adjust the hexagon washers if not tight. Put on the roller caps.